Well, there's a couple of dams broken apparently. There's a dam broken at Chun, which is giving loads of water down the River Ing. And apparently there's a dam broken that way, which is giving loads of water coming this way and cutting off, well, loads of land. We'll go and see. Well, this is the rice fields at our village. And apparently there's a dam broken up the valley. And this is the result. Look at that. My God, we've had some rain. And all the locals here are here having a gander. Hello. My word. Well. Nam Mike, that's a lot of water. Hello, you okay? Oh, look at that. That's right down the valley. My word. I wonder if I'm going to go down to the bridge on the Nam Lao and see if it's affected that. That is a look at the water coming down. It's like a tidal wave. My word, goodness gracious me. That's a big problem. Nam Lao, just down from the village and on the way to the farm, and this is well up and all those fields are flooded and the Salat is well underwater. But I suspect that dam water is going to hit the Nam Lao further down, probably lower than the farm. My goodness. Apparently the 7-Eleven's been taken out. I don't know. We'll go and find out. Well, it has indeed taken out the 7-Eleven and some cars that were there. And look at this. You know what? Okay, Dong. The big dam. Big Nam. Well. Taking out the road. Hello, how are you? Okay? Oh, big Nam. 7. Brunei, cheap beer. Cheap beer tomorrow. Well, look at this. The 7-Eleven's gone. Look at this. Apparently it's a dam that's broken that's up the valley. And I can only imagine what the weir's like at Van now. That's a lot of water. Hey, and I'm amazed the tides haven't got the nets out for the fish that's coming down. My word. Well, Stephen's on his way to me. I better go and tell him not to come. Well, look at that. My word. Cheap beer at 7-Eleven tomorrow. Hello, this is my 7-Eleven lady. Brunei, Leo, cheap. Look, cheap beer tomorrow.
Leo, มันไม่ได้แล้ว
Oh my dear, look. Oh dear. 7. Come quick. Yeah.
ไม่ทันแล้ว
That's my 7-Eleven beer. This is a 7-Eleven that's directly opposite our village, and those houses there are flooded. Hello, darling.
7 เรา
Yeah. Brunei, cheap beer. Brunei, beer cheap. Brunei is typo tomorrow. Look at the speed of the water coming across. And there's chairs and all sorts being washed down. Oh, my crash helmets and everything. Oh, and that's the car wash place. That's gone for a Burton. Oh dear. Hello. You okay? You go swimming? Good for pla. I better get my canoe out. That's a lot of water, isn't it? Look at the speed of it. Well. Come somewhere. Well. Well, that is. But you know what? The Thai authorities are absolutely fantastic at sorting things out like this. They'll be out, they'll sort something out overnight. But this is the main arterial route and this is now closed. So my worry is, it won't affect the farm, I don't think, because it'll shoot past the farm. But the River Ing at turn was inches off the road. This will swell the Ing up. Well, I feel like a storm chaser. Bye bye for now. That's a lot of water. I wonder if our temple's going to get flooded. Possibly. If it comes over, it'll hit the temple and then the village. It won't hit us because we are elevated, we're on a hill. But if it hits the village, they'll all go. Well, it's got to come up another metre to hit the village, at least a metre. And it won't come up that far. Look at the debris in that water. And there's the villagers. The monks will be yin yang yonging. That'll make all the difference.
Ăn cuốn này nè. Thì lùm một này.